Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is Tony again, and I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I have been asked numerous times how I lost weight after childbirth, and I wanted to share this my simple favorite dish and hope it will help someone to shed some weight and be fabulous. So, for best result, you will need all the ingredients as highlighted on this slide. Happy grilling! Until next time, have a great day on purpose.